Whatever you can imagine, you can produce on this machine. My name is Rohan KELKAR and I'm from the KELKAR brand. We recently made a very interesting part. It's a watch case made in brass for a very special jewelry customer. So if you come close, you can see closely this very complicated and very beautiful watch case. The watch case is made in brass. The finish you see here is also right from the machine. So the watch case we made on this machine. This is our flagship product, the 5X-100. It's a 5-axis simultaneous machine which is equipped with our proprietary touchscreen CNC controller. This is the state-of-the-art CNC controller which is extremely easy to use. So within a few clicks you can shift from menus and operating the machine becomes extremely easy. This machine is equipped with a 4 kilowatt 40,000 RPM spindle which enables you to use extremely small tools and make complicated parts like these, which is the watch case. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you find this interesting you can reach out to us at info@kelkardynamics.com.